State tax ID numbers are crucial for many businesses, but finding or obtaining one can be confusing. This video will guide you through the process of locating, recovering, and applying for a state tax ID, as well as explain key differences between federal and state business identification numbers. A state tax ID number is a unique identifier used for state-level business identification and taxation. Businesses typically need this number for payroll taxes, sales tax collection, and other regulatory compliance purposes. If a company operates in multiple states, it may require separate tax ID numbers for each location. It's important to understand the difference between a federal employer identification number, or EIN, and a state tax ID. An EIN is issued by the Internal Revenue Service for federal tax purposes, while a state tax ID is assigned by individual state tax agencies for state-level business taxes. If you need to find your state tax ID number, there are several methods available. First, check your business tax documents, such as past state tax returns or payroll tax filings. The number is often listed on these forms. You can also review employer tax filings, like state wage and withholding reports. If you can't locate the number in your records, contact your state's tax agency. Many states offer online lookup tools or customer service options to help retrieve your state tax ID. For businesses that have misplaced their state tax ID, recovery options are available. In addition to checking past tax filings and employer forms, you can use online business search tools provided by some states. Your business bank may also have the number on file if it was required for account setup. If you need to apply for a new state tax ID, the process varies by state, but generally follows these steps. First, determine your state-specific requirements by visiting the Department of Revenue website. Most states require businesses to have a federal EIN before applying for a state tax ID. Next, complete the online or paper application, providing necessary business information such as your EIN, business entity type, owner details, and business address. Processing times vary, but many states issue tax IDs quickly, sometimes even immediately for online applications. Let's address some common questions about state tax IDs. Not all businesses require one. Sole proprietors without employees who don't sell taxable goods may be able to use their Social Security number instead. However, if you have employees, collect sales tax, or operate in multiple states, you'll likely need a state tax ID. Some states do not require EINs because they don't collect personal income tax. These include Washington, Tennessee, Alaska, Florida, Nevada, Texas, New Hampshire, Wyoming, and South Dakota. In conclusion, understanding how to find, recover, or apply for your state tax ID is essential for proper business operations and compliance. Remember that requirements can vary by state, so always check with your specific state's tax agency for the most accurate and up-to-date information.